Let me show you a really quick and easy way to add animated backgrounds to your live stream. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I help you grow your business using video on social media with ease. Animated backgrounds are a nice way of adding a little bit of color and design and movement to your live streams. I'm going to show you how to create your own and add them to your live stream. The software that I'm using today is Restream, and they're an incredibly easy to use and robust live streaming software that I've been using for years. They've got free and paid plans, and if you'd like to try them out and get a $10 credit when you sign up, you can check out the link in my description for that. Let's go over to my computer now, and I'll show you how to add animated backgrounds and how to create your own and upload them as well. This is what it looks like with an animated background in Restream. I'm currently in the Restream Live Studio at the moment, and you can add animated backgrounds within Restream by going to the graphics tab in the top right hand corner here, and you can see that they've got a couple of already preloaded animated backgrounds that you can use simply by clicking on them, and they will start to show during your live stream. At the moment, we've just got my camera and the animated background on the screen. If I was to share a screen or use another layout with another presenter, then you would still be able to see the beautiful animated background. The second alternative that you can do is that you can create and upload your own. So how do you create your own animated backgrounds? I'm glad you asked. The tool that I would recommend to help you create your animated backgrounds for live streaming is Canva. If you check out the link in the description, I've got a link to a 45-day free trial of the Canva Pro version. So once you're in Canva, you can go to create a design, and here you can select video, or you can type video in the search, and this will automatically open up this design type, which is also sized in the correct dimensions, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So go ahead and click on that, and this will open up the Canva editor. Now from here on the left hand side, what I want you to do is to go down to videos. And then once you're in this section, I want you to click on backgrounds. If backgrounds doesn't appear for you here, search for background in the video search here. So I'm going to select backgrounds, and now you have access to so many different video backgrounds that you can then add to the canvas. So I'm going to keep searching for something that I like. As you can see, they have a massive range of videos that you can use, from different geometric backgrounds to nature backgrounds. So keep scrolling and find one that suits you. I like this one, so all you have to do is click on it to add it to the actual canvas, and then drag it to resize it. And then once you're ready, video, I'm just going to title it here. All you would do is click on the down button here, or the download video button. I'm going to click on the down arrow here. I'm going to download it as an MP4 video, and this will save the file to my actual desktop, which I can then go back and upload into Restream Studio to use during my live streams as an animated background. Uploading your animated background that you created is really easy. From the Restream Studio, you want to go to the graphics tab and scroll down to background, and then you want to click on this plus icon here. Click on that, you'll be able to open up and choose the video that you've just created, and then it will add it to the background section here. And once Restream has finished uploading and processing it, you'll be able to select it and add it to your live streams. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And let me know in the comment section below, what other live stream tutorials would you like to learn about? I'd love to make these videos for you. And in the meantime, why don't you check out my handy dandy Restream playlist, or grab a copy of my Facebook Live cheat sheets. It's a super simple guide to get you up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. Check them out by clicking on the links on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.